Legal management versus pol sci. Ano ba talaga yung best pre-law course? Honestly, may bias ako. Because as someone who took up legal management in my pre-law, I can honestly say, sobrang naging advantage niya sa akin. Hindi naman sa sinasabi kong hindi maganda ang pol sci, no? Maganda din naman siya, especially when it comes to understanding the government, political systems, and theories. Pero iba yung edge ng legal management, especially pagdating sa actual law school experience. Ito kasi yan. Nung first year law student ako, hindi na ako masyadong na-culture shock. Marunong na ako mag-digest, marunong na ako magbasa ng law books. Alam ko na kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng ruling, doctrine, may idea na ako tungkol sa statutory construction, sa taxation, sa corporation law. And most importantly, hindi na ako masyadong nasisindak sa law professors. Kasi sa legal management, well, at least in my experience sa New Era University, kung papaano tratuhin ng lawyer professors ang law students, ganun din yung treatment nila sa amin nun as mere legal management college students. So, exposed na ako early on. Recitations, pressure, yung kaba every time na tatawagin ka, na-experience ko na yun before pa ako mag-law school. So, pagdating sa law school, parang adjustment na lang, hindi na shock. But, to be fair, walang perfect pre-law course. Kahit anong course yung kunin mo, you can still succeed and survive law school. Nasa study habits yan. Discipline, consistency. Okay? Pero if you're asking me, if you want to have a head start, if you want to feel more prepared, legal management can really give you that advantage. If you're new here, hi, I'm Attorney Math. I'm a full-time litigation lawyer and part-time professor. I simplify legal concepts to help you understand your rights, and I also mentor and guide students through content as they pursue their journey to becoming lawyers. Follow for more.